Your dog wrote an insensitive tweet. You can't eat here.
Uh-oh, Meg. It's a sensitivity mob.
It was just a joke.
There's no such thing as jokes anymore.
Yeah, we live in a post-joke world.
Chris, maybe we should just eat outside?
No, Meg, we're eating here.
I'd like to see you try.
Tiger! 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 It was a joke.
Brutality.
Can you put on the Canucks game?
No, go away.
Loser!
This is getting out of control. We can't leave the house without getting harassed.
Yeah, yesterday I went outside to try to get the mail, and I had a seizure.
And that may not be protester related, but still, you gotta do something.